Hi, welcome to the Pixel Art Activity Pack. In this activity pack, you'll be learning all about pixels, what they are, where you'd find them, and why they're so important. We have downloadable activity sheets, videos to watch, and a quiz worth 10 points at the end. So first, we should ask, what are pixels? Pixels are the smallest elements in an image. They are incredibly small points that work together to form an image or animation. Pixels are made up of three primary colors: green, blue, and red. These colors are mixed together to create a range of shades. In our modern world, we are surrounded by pixels. They can be found on our computer screens, our televisions, and in our video games. Next time you watch your favorite film or play a game, try to think of all the pixels that are used to create the images you're seeing. There's too many to count. So for this first activity, you'll be creating some basic pixel art of your own. The aim is to color in the ones and leave the zeros blank. Afterwards, you'll be creating some pixel art of your own for someone else to color in, using the blank grids that we've provided. This is what the activity sheet should look like. It's attached to this at the bottom. So this is what the grids will look like. As you can see, it's filled with ones and zeros. Choose a color and color in the ones. Then you can either leave the zeros blank or you can color them in a different color. Coloring in the ones should reveal a piece of pixel art. As an extension task, as mentioned, you'll be creating some pixel art of your own. Using the blank grids provided, follow the same format that we used to create some pixel art for someone else to color in. Use the ones to create the shape of whatever art you're trying to create, and then the zeros go around it. Hope you have fun.